The Sahel region is a semi-arid transitional zone in Africa, located between the Sahara Desert to the north and the Sudanian savanna to the south, stretching from the Atlantic to the Red Sea. Key countries include Senegal, Mali, Niger, Chad, and Sudan, with challenges like food and water shortages, armed conflicts, weak governance, and recent geopolitical shifts, including countries like Russia. Location: 5,000 kilometers wide belt across Africa. Climate: tropical semi-arid with a hot, dry season and short, rainy season. Vegetation: semi-arid grasslands, savanna, and thorn shrubland with low-growing grasses, thorny shrubs, and scattered trees. Countries involved: Senegal, Mauritania, Mali, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, Chad, Sudan, Eritrea, and parts of Ethiopia and South Sudan. Shifting power dynamics: Russia has increased its influence, posing a challenge to traditional powers like France. External involvements: various external powers are vying for influence in the region. Security issues: terrorism, the presence of jihadist groups like Boko Haram and Al Qaeda. Instability and coups: many countries have experienced military coups driven by dissatisfaction with governance and security handling. Weak governance, a contributing factor to instability and security challenges. Climate change: the region is vulnerable to impacts like desertification and water scarcity exacerbated by climate change. Food and water shortage linked to harsh climate conditions and increasing population. Socio-economic challenges: population growth, high fertility rate are placing pressure on the region's resources. Poverty: despite being resources rich, deep-rooted challenges hinder prosperity and growth. Need for development: initiative for sustainable development, such as improving access to finance and infrastructure, and crucial. This is Sahel region in Africa. South of Sahara Desert and north of Savannah. The PYQ is: consider the following statements. Statement 1: there is instability and worsening security situation in the Sahel region. This is correct. Statement 2: there have been military takeovers or coups dictated in several countries of the Sahel region in the recent past. This is also correct. So, statement 1 is the answer. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 explains statement 1. The description is: the Sahel region, which stretches across several countries in Africa just south of the Sahara Desert, has been experiencing increasing instability and worsening security situation. This is largely due to the factors such as armed conflict, terrorist activities, weak governance, and environmental issues. In recent years, several countries in the Sahel region, including Mali, Burkina Faso, Chad, have experienced military coups. These coups have often been driven by dissatisfaction with the handling of security issues and governance failure. Statement 2 explains statement 1. Because the military coups did contribute directly to the instability and worsening security situation in this region. So answer is statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 explains statement 1. The next question: Sahel region of Sahara Desert is associated with the southern moving edge of Sahara Desert. Sahel region is largely semi-arid belt of barren, sandy and rock-strewn land in Africa. It marks the physical and cultural transition between the continent's more fertile tropical regions to the south and Sahara Desert in the north. It is extended from Senegal eastward to Sudan, which is the southern moving edge of the Sahara Desert. The Sahel region experiences tropical semi-arid climate, mainly hot and dry conditions throughout the year. The Sahelian climate is influenced by the diharmattan winds as well as wind movement within the intertropical convergence zone. The Sahel region is roofed by savanna and grassland with some areas with woodland and shrubland. These regions are rich in mineral resources: Niger, uranium; Mali, gold, lithium; Burkina Faso, gold. Few years ago, France was moved out from this region. Military operation against jihadi group in this region led by France, Operation Barkhane.